Hello, this is Jennifer Peterson, Library Media Supervisor for the Menasha School District, and today I'm going to talk about appointment slots. So first we need to go to calendar. So we start from our Gmail and we'll go up here to the apps box, click on that, and click on calendar. Now, appointment slots, you're wondering, what are those? Well, here's what the easiest way to explain them. Appointment slots are free times that you have to meet with people. So let's say as a teacher, you wanted to set up some times when your students are working on a huge project, but you want them to check in with you so many times during the project. You could set up appointment slots where students will then book an appointment with you to check in on the project. You could also use this for parent-teacher conferences. You could use it for, let's say, open office hours that students can come and talk to you. So that's kind of in general what an appointment slot is. Now on this calendar I've set up, you can see I do have some free weekly library slots. Now I'm going to set up, let's say, 4 hours of student time that they can come check with me on a project they're working on. So I'm going to say from 11 to 3. When I unclick, this box will come up and I'm going to click appointment slot instead of event. Usually we use event for everything. This time we're going to use appointment slot. So we're going to say student project meetings. Now, this is the Jefferson Library. We can offer it as one single appointment slot, so that would mean 1 4-hour appointment slot, or I can change it so I can say that it's now going to be 30-minute slots. I could change it to 20 minutes or 45, however you want to change it. Now, I'm going to do this more than once, so I'm going to say edit details, and up here you'll see that I can change it so it repeats. Now, I'm going to do this weekly for the next, I'm going to say, let's say 3 weeks. So every Friday for the next 3 Fridays, I'm going to have this open time. I'm going to say done. Now I can put where, we'll say Jefferson Library, and I can put a description in there. We'll say can meet to discuss projects. Now, if I had a list of students that I was working with, a group, I could add the group in there. I could invite students right here under guests. I can also book rooms. So I could go into Jefferson and book that LMC. I could add guests, or you can just leave it. So I could say save. So now there is my appointment slot. Now it looks like one big blob, but I'm going to show you kind of what the other people will see. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that they see it as these student project meetings. And if they book one and say save, now you can see how that shows up that there is somebody booked in there. Now you'd probably want to tell the students to put their name in there so that you know who it is that booked that appointment. But in a nutshell, that's appointment slots.